Knock knock. Who's this? It's healthy. Healthy who? Healthy you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you guys are doing well. So we all crave for something delicious, something which is unhealthy and junk, but we need to resist it and control it. Like, it's okay to indulge in something junk sometimes, but resisting the urge to eat burger or a packet of chips is what makes it for a healthy lifestyle. Snacking healthy is important, but eating at the right intervals is more important. We tend to have long intervals between two meals. We should not do that. We should not wait between two meals. The main cause of overeating is undereating. Sometimes we get so busy with our work and schedules that we forget to eat, and this leads to more cravings and we tend to indulge more. Like, we crave to eat more junk. So we should not keep gaps between eating. So in today's video, I am going to share with you all 3 easy and quick snacking recipes which you can have instead of indulging in unhealthy and junk food. These recipes are super easy to make and they just require 5 minutes, and also they are very tasty. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. We will preheat a pan on low flame and then add 2 tablespoons of ghee. After the ghee has melted, we will put fox nuts or makhana in the pan, and then we will roast it for about 5 to 7 minutes. It will become crispy just like this. Then we will add about 1 teaspoon of rock salt in the makhana before switching off the gas stove. You can add any other masalas of your choice. Our delicious and healthy makhanas are ready to eat. For our next recipe, we will take 1 glass of water and heat it, and then we will add 2 spoons of jaggery in it and let it boil. Then we will preheat another pan, and then we will add 3 spoons of ghee in it. After this, we will add half cup of wheat flour in the melted ghee. Keep the gas on low flame, and then we will stir the wheat flour. Keep stirring it till the color of the wheat flour turns light brown. After this, we will add jaggery water that we had prepared beforehand. And then we will mix everything well. Our Arti Halwa is ready, and garnish it with dry fruits and enjoy. For the next healthy recipe, I have chopped some vegetables here. Here I have one chopped onion. Here I have one boiled potato, and here I have sliced one tomato. I have taken the proportion of one each. You can vary the quantity as you like it, like the proportion size. So I have already cut all the three vegetables and kept them. Now let's make the recipe. Let's transfer all the vegetables in a bowl. After this, we will add a pinch of salt. Add the salt according to your taste, and after this we will add red chili powder to our recipe. If you like it spicy, then add a little bit more, or just according as you like it. After this, just give it a good mix so that the salt and the red chili all mix together well. Now we will add the main ingredient which will complete our recipe, and it is the Mumbai special chanajor. We will add it in here, and it is going to make it so much more tastier. Give it a good mix, and here we have a perfect snack with us. We have our chanajor vegetable recipe, and if you want, you can add a few drops of lemon in it. Just a tip, have it instantly as you make it. It is tasty, healthy, and easy to make, so do give it a try. So I hope you guys found these recipes helpful. Foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, dry fruits, and whole grains are packed with nutrients, vitamins, fibers, and proteins, so we should try to include them as much as possible. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me, and turn on the bell notification so every time I put a new video, you will be notified first. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, keep smiling, be happy, and stay safe. Bye.